Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to write a Python program to print sum of a given number. For example, given number is 43278. I want the sum of all digits in that number. We will see how to write the code. So let's get started. Yeah, we are done. Now we need to save the file. Click on File, click on Save As. Now enter any file name. Here I will type sumnum.py. We need to save the Python file with the extension .py. So file name with the extension .py and click on save. Now file is saved. Now we need to execute this program by using command prompt. So open command prompt. Click here and type cmd. Enter. Now we need to give path cd space desktop dictionary dir. Enter. Now file name dot py. File name with the extension .py. Enter. Now any name. Now we need to enter any number. For example, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. Enter. See, we are getting sum of the given number. 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 equal to 27. We will see once again. Enter. Now suppose 4, 5. Enter. See, 4 plus 5, 9. We are getting 9. I will copy and paste the output over here. Now this is the code and this is the output. Now we will see the code. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user and sum equal to 0 while n not equal to 0 means it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will enter the loop. Sum equal to sum plus n modulus 10. Modulus operator will give reminder. So n modulus 10. Sum plus n modulus 10. This result will be saved in sum. And now n equal to n floor division with 10. Floor division, this is the operator. Floor division operator. Floor division will give coefficient of the number. So n floor division with 10. This value is saved in n. Now we need to print sum. This is the code and this is the output. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding.